Hello, good morning. Antonis, Michail, Technical Director of the International Association of Ports and Harbours. Once again, it's a great pleasure for me to be attending the GreenPort Congress and Cruise. I think that out of the 19 editions that we have so far, I haven't missed a single one. So it's really a pleasure, and with the support of IPH as well, and before us joining us European Seaports Organization, it's really great to be again in this fantastic gathering of port environmental professionals in Europe from the European ports that are really family to me due to my job position and everything. It was fantastic that I've been within the opening session, joined by Isabelle Rickpost from ESPO and many Cedric from here, from the port of Le Havre, really setting the scene. What it is changing in European legislation, how IMO and global level is catching up, and having an overall discussion then where the sector is heading and how the sector is going to cope with energy transition, decarbonization, and so forth by the ambitious targets that we have for 2050, of course, and what change that will bring to the business that we are all in. And then I also, building further on that, in the afternoon of the first day as well, I had the pleasure to present our recently launched Port Readiness Level for Marine Fuels assessment tool for ports. That we've launched a digital version of the tool. Every port in the world can now go online, create an account, and really see where it stands when it comes to the bunkering of low and zero carbon fuels, and it's a fuel agnostic tool. So again, a very important piece of work that we did together with the World Ports Climate Action Program and IPH and Mission Innovation, and it's out there available for ports to use and to respond to this industry's question that we get often: how ready ports are and how ready they're going to be in the bunkering, but also in the transport of those new fuels as they come in the market. It is definitely challenging times, but also very interesting times, and times that they offer a lot of opportunities for ports, not only European ports, but ports also in developing countries and so on, because at large the whole energy landscape globally will change. It will change dramatically in the years to come. Uncertainty is an issue, and it's a big challenge, of course. What will be the fuel of the future? It's definitely going to be a mix of fuels. How ports then are getting ready, how they make their selections around it. There are challenges also associated with extra transport cost, and would that have an impact in some parts of the world? But as we have a global problem to face. We need to adapt. Uncertainty is high. The challenges are big, but also opportunities are there, and these exciting times to be in the industry as such. Collaboration is really a must in this case, and I know sometimes we talk about collaboration is just a word, but we cannot achieve energy transition in isolation. There is a certain role for port authorities in the energy transition, a certain role for fuel producers, for shipping lines, for industry, for so on. We all need to get together, because the fuels of the future are not only going to be used for shipping or for certain applications. They're going to be used for decarbonizing the way we do business overall, the way we exist, and the way we do everything on this planet. So collaboration is not just an empty word in that case. We cannot achieve energy transition without close collaboration, and that's what we're trying to do in IPH as well, working with the shipping lines, working with governments, under, for instance, our Clean Energy Marine Hubs initiative, which is, again, what is the role of ports and shipping into transporting these fuels as commodities from various parts of the world to others, where they are produced until to where they are consumed and so on. So there is definitely collaboration is the key word in this whole